Veteran benefits. The phrase is often spoken, but not understood. So what are these benefits? And did you know that there's a benefit available for our veterans as well as their spouses to assist with the overwhelming cost of healthcare? Stay tuned to learn what questions you need to be asking in order to qualify for the Veterans Aid and Attendance Pension Benefit.
Welcome to this episode of Your Legal Legacy with your host, Attorney Michelle Conti.
VA benefits. Most people are aware that they exist, but often they don't know all that is offered to the men and women who have fought for our country. One such program is the Aid and Attendance Pension Benefit. What this means is that if your monthly medical expenses outweigh your income, you may be eligible for tax-free monies to help you pay for those medical bills. But first you have to ask a few questions. First, is my attorney accredited through the United States Department of Veteran Affairs? See, when it comes to restructuring your estate, not all attorneys can help you. You must receive, or the attorney must receive, accreditation from the VA. While I am legally entitled to help veterans, as well as their surviving spouses, obtain the financial assistance to which they are entitled. The same is true if you are a veteran or the surviving spouse of a veteran, and you're living in or considering moving into an assisted living facility. Number 2, who is eligible for the Aid and Attendance Pension Benefit? Well, to receive the benefit, a veteran must have served on active duty at least 90 days, of which one day occurred during a period designated as wartime. So when is wartime? Here's the list. First, World War II, which is December 7th, 1941 through December 31st, 1946. The Korean conflict, which is June 27th, 1950 through January 31st, 1955. Vietnam, August 5th, 1964 through May 7th, 1975. For veterans who served in country before August 5th, 1964, February 28th, 1961 through May 7th, 1975. The Gulf War, which is August 2nd, 1990 through a date to be determined by presidential proclamation. The next question, was the veteran honorably discharged? What is the age of the veteran? Is he or she married? All of these things matter. I'm often asked, is this benefit only available for low-income veterans? And the answer to that is no. This benefit is based on income after we reduce specific types of reoccurring, unreimbursed medical and long-term care expenses. Those expenses are often paid to professionals or even passed on to family members. So what assets are exempt and which may be transferred? Exempt assets include your primary residence, your vehicles, and those difficult to sell properties. However, some assets that are considered to be exempt by Medicaid, like a life estate and a piece of real estate, they're often considered countable by the VA. The VA also allows assets to be transferred or converted into income in order to meet their asset test. And unlike Medicaid, there is no look-back period for transferring assets. That's really nice. The most important question is, what is the amount of money that the veteran or the veteran's spouse may receive on a monthly basis? Well, currently, the money is tax-free, and a veteran may receive up to $1,794 per month if they are single, $2,127 per month if the veteran is married, and $1,152 per month for the surviving spouse of a veteran. Again, these benefits are tax-free, and they do not affect taxes on other pension programs, like your Social Security income. But beware, if this is not done properly, it could result in disqualification for all other governmental benefit programs when you need them the most. For example, improper gifting of assets within 5 years of application for Medicaid would result in a disqualification for the veteran for these benefits. That's why it is extremely important to seek assistance of an attorney who can develop a truly comprehensive plan for you. One that will not only address potential qualification for the veteran's benefit, but also the avoidance of unnecessary court costs, procedures, probate, and the protection of your assets, not only for you and your spouse, but for your kids too. If you are a veteran or the spouse of a veteran, and you're having a hard time affording the ever-increasing cost of health care, give me a call to schedule your complimentary consultation. I'll see you soon with more tips on creating your legal legacy.
Thank you for watching Your Legal Legacy. For more great information, visit ContiLawLLC.com.